Hi, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to sort out that big scratch that's on my car. It's looking quite deep, but I'll see if I can get it out. So what I'm going to use is some rubbing compound, and I'm going to see if I can rub it with this buffer on my drill. So let's see if that works. So all I'm going to do is just put a bit of rubbing compound onto here and then buff out the area on the car.
I'm also going to rub the rubbing compound directly onto the car, into the scratch itself. And then I'll start the drill and I'll buff this gently to start with. It's taken quite a bit of the scratch out already. It just needs a little bit more buffing. I will rub a little bit more of the rubbing compound directly onto the scratches and then buff it out again. It's taken about 10 minutes altogether just to get the deeper scratches out. I will try it just a little bit more and rub some more rubbing compound into the scratches for one final buff. I think that's about it. That's about the best I can get it. I think I need to get it spray painted professionally, but it's looking much better than it was before. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.